A team of Nigerian scientists has announced the discovery of a preventive vaccine against the novel coronavirus. According to the COVID-19 research group, the vaccine is real and has been validated several times. Though targeted at Africans, the scientists say it will also work for other races. The vaccine is expected to be mobilized for widespread use in at least 18 months, and it says the science team leader. And the medical doctor, Nsi Abasi Kanem, joins me now to discuss this. Good to have you join us, Nsi Abasi. What more can you tell us about this vaccine, especially as it is being targeted at just Africans?
Okay, well, the vaccine, according to preliminary reports, has been developed based on African genome, and such vaccines has some level of specificity for the African race. Nonetheless, it can also work for other races. But I think that as far as this vaccine is concerned, it might be too early for us to, say something quite cogent on this, because the World Health Organization in Nigeria has not at this time brought up a position paper to say that this vaccine can work. But I believe that this is a work in progress, and a lot of research will still go into it to ensure that this vaccine can protect Nigerians against COVID-19.
So when you say specificity in terms of African, being targeted at African, does this mean that this virus will work according to race? So what are those specific things?
Okay, a vaccine works based on the immune system. And the human immune system works based on the coding on the DNA. Across races, there is that variance from one race to the other. Most times, vaccines are meant to be able to appeal to all races. But based on the research that has been done in this particular product, I think that there is that level of specificity, which is based on the genetic makeup of the race it is being targeted. So it might not be as effective with other races like the Caucasians, like the Americans, as it will be for the Africans. But then we would like to look at the technical paper further to be able to say categorically that this can work for Africans as much as it can protect us against COVID-19.
Absolutely. While we await that technical paper, seeing that every other day there are new developments on the coronavirus, how optimistic should we be? And then what level of support can be given to the scientists?
Okay, I would want to say that, as a matter of fact, we are making a lot of progress. Scientists in Nigeria and outside Nigeria are working tirelessly round the clock to ensure that we find a solution to this, whether it's a cure or a vaccine. But in the meantime, I must say that Nigerian government must be ready to support. This research needs huge funding. Even the one that has been done there, about $20,000 has already been funded. Nigerian government has to invest towards coming up with a solution. I believe that we can get something indigenous, and there is a need for an investment for us to be able to achieve that. And I believe that we can achieve that with huge investment.
Medical Doctor Nsi Abasi Kanem, thanks for talking to TVC News.